Hello, I'm Mike Mantuano, General Manager with Interstate Signways. Let me begin by extending my personal thank you for your business. We understand the sign manufacturing business is competitive and there are options for you to purchase your sign requirements. More importantly, we understand the pressures of a competitive market, escalating labor costs, and rising material costs. This is where we believe we can give you, our business partners, a competitive edge. Our advantage to you is our unique sign delivery system. Interstate's delivery system provides you savings in labor and personnel costs during installation that are direct to you, our customer. Your signs are loaded and sequenced on our trailers according to your instructions. Additionally, because your signs are loaded on uprights, there is less damage and less risk of lost shipments. Our signs require no additional offloading, uncrating, or assembly. We want you to know this is the very reason our largest single investment is in our trailers. Interstate Signways takes great pride in bringing you the very best services and products possible, and we are constantly looking for ways to help you save money and complete your projects on time at the highest level of quality. We are with you every step of the way, from start to finish. Thank you for letting me explain the Interstate Delivery Advantage. We know you have choices, and we want to always be your first choice for your sign need.